Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the extension installed. Now act. Open YouTube and load a page with hover previews. Make sure you are using the desktop site. Once on the page, open your extension's element picker, uBlock Origins, pick Mode or Stylus's Edit View. You do this to target the small preview overlay that appears when you hover a thumbnail. This step locates the exact DOM element so you can block or override it. Don't skip straight to rules without picking the element first. Once you've selected the preview overlay, the extension will suggest a cosmetic filter string. Edit it minimally to scope to YouTube. COM if the tool doesn't already. For example, keep the class or ID selector that matches the preview container. Apply the filter and save. This removes the element before it renders. Make sure to test by hovering different thumbnails. If the preview still appears, refine the selector, or add a second similar rule for alternate preview elements that YouTube. After saving, refresh YouTube and hover thumbnails to confirm previews are gone. If you still see a preview, clear your browser cache and try again. Sometimes old assets persist. If the overlay returns later, YouTube likely changed its markup. Reopen the element picker, capture the new selector, and update your filter. As a key troubleshooting tip, disable other extensions briefly to rule out conflicts. Once you reapply the corrected rule, make sure the filter is enabled and scoped to YouTube. COM so it stays effective.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.